So hello aspirants, welcome to another session of the current affairs. In this session, we will be seeing some more topics regarding your current affairs which are important, especially related to your upcoming Prelims 2023 examination. So the first topic is Global Livability Index. This has been brought by the institution The Economist, and according to this particular index, it has stated that the Indian cities are not very good enough to live over there. So in terms of living, Indian cities have fared quite poorly in this particular index. The next topic is your vertically launched short range surface to air missile. It has been developed by your Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO. The range of this missile system is around 40 to 50 kilometers, and the altitude which it can attain is around 15 kilometers. The next topic is Consumer Expenditure Survey. So recently the government has stated that they are going to bring this Consumer Expenditure Survey, and the institution which has been assigned to bring this expenditure survey is National Statistics Office, that is your NSO, and this particular expenditure survey is going to be present after every 5 years. So it is a quinquennial survey, and what is it going to determine? To determine the consumer expenditure, and it is going to be for both rural as well as your urban areas. So try to remember these points regarding your consumer expenditure survey. The next topic is Theomargarita magnifica. Now what it is a bacteria, and it is world's biggest bacteria. This is its speciality, and where it was found? It was found in your Caribbean archipelago. So this is the information regarding your Theomargarita magnifica. The next topic is your Menar. Now it is a place situated in Rajasthan's Udaipur district, and the government has started steps regarding declaring Menar as a Ramsar site. Okay, so the government wanted to declare this particular village as a wetland, and the steps has been started. So it becomes important for us, especially for the prelims 2023 examination, that it can happen. UPSC may frame a question regarding your Menar. The next topic is sunspots, a topic related to your science and technology. Now, what are sunspots? These are the cooler regions of the sun. They appear dark, and that's why they are called as spots. Why these sunspots appear? Because there are certain changes in the magnetic field on the sun surface, and because of that sunspots appears. The next topic is hermit. Now what is hermit? It is a spyware. It was very popular and was in the news during June 2022. So that's why it becomes important. What is your hermit? The next topic is your eDNA or environmental DNA. Now environmental DNA are those DNA fragments which are found in the environment, and they are belonging to the various organisms. So remember this thing, DNA samples of organisms found in the environment. This is called as environmental DNA. The next topic is your Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment. Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment. Who has launched it? G7 institution has launched it recently. And why it was launched? So as to counter the Belt and Road Initiative of China. Remember this particular purpose of this Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment. The next topic is shrinkflation. Now recently there was this thing in the news that various companies, what they have started doing, they have started reducing the content of a given product rather than reducing the price. Such sort of phenomena is called as shrinkflation. So the size of the product gets reduced, whereas the price remains the same. Okay, so this is economic terminology and economic phenomena, shrinkflation. The next topic is your Psyche mission. Psyche mission is launched by NASA. It is a part of a discovery program. And what is Psyche? It is actually a name of asteroid which is situated in your asteroid belt located between Mars and Jupiter. So remember this particular aspect regarding Psyche mission. The next topic is Title 9. Now Title 9 is a kind of law which prohibits the gender discrimination. Okay, so what is Title 9? It is a law which prohibits gender discrimination. It enhances the gender equity principle. It forbids the discrimination based on gender, especially in education as well as in sports. The next topic is Living Lands Charter. Now, this particular charter is adopted recently by your Commonwealth countries. India is a member of the Commonwealth group. That's why this particular thing becomes important. It is a non-binding agreement. So again, remember this point. And what does this charter aims for? So as to arrest your land degradation. Remember this aspect also. So this is all regarding the various topics of the current affairs. In the next session, we will see some more topics regarding current affairs, especially important for your prelims 2023 examination. Till then, thank you.